Hello everyone, welcome back to Taylor Talks. I am Taylor, and if you haven't been here before, welcome, and if you're back, welcome back. So today it's going to be a little short, but that's quite okay. I got a lot of really fun people lined up for my next few Taylor Talks, so make sure you do tune in. So a lot of people always ask me, why do you do Taylor Talks? Why? The big why is to honestly just educate and let people know. I know a lot of people if you're not in the networking world, a lot of people don't understand a lot of the things out there. Buying and selling a home can be a scary thing to navigate. So that's why I like having a lot of realtors on. Insurance. A lot of people don't understand insurance and why it's good to have a good insurance agent. And then here I am with, UPKEEP Home Warranty. It's just good to educate people and let them know what's out there. So that's why I like having different businesses and different guests, because it gives them kind of a spotlight time, and it still gives, me time to talk about UPKEEP and kind of explain what we do and how different businesses work together and may correlate. So if you don't know what UPKEEP is, let me explain real quick. So if you don't know what a home warranty is, let me start from there. So a home warranty is optional coverage that you can purchase on your home to offset repair costs. So no one knows when things are going to need repaired, right? No one can predict it. Now, something that can help is preventative maintenance. So what we do here at UPKEEP, we actually do maintenance with our home warranty, and we come out 4 times a year to do that maintenance, because when you do preventive maintenance, it can sometimes stop a lot of those things. It can't stop everything, but it can definitely help, because it's always better to be proactive than reactive. It's actually less expensive to be proactive than reactive, because there's a lot of times in life, all the time in life, that you don't know what's going to happen. So it's always better to be prepared and be ready. And that's something I preach all the time. I always tell people you want to be proactive, because being reactive is a heck of a lot more expensive, and it's kind of stressful because you don't have that plan in place. You don't have the things in place that you need. So that's why we do the maintenance, because it kind of prepares and gives us the ability and to keep everything going. Because everyone gets that cars need oil. So your furnace has a filter, it needs changed. It's the same concept. You have to maintain things to keep them running at their best. So along with the maintenance, we have our own full-time employees that come out for the maintenance and the claims. And we have something else too. So right now, and we're still doing it, I'm so excited. So we are still doing our vacation referral contest. So basically what that is, realtors and homeowners, when you refer someone and they sign up and they have their onboarding appointment, your name will go into a drawing to win a free vacation. So that's our way to kind of give back to people. And with that, so I said onboarding. So what our onboarding is when someone signs up for UPKEEP, they get assigned their own personal home manager. And their home manager will come out to their home and get all the models, serial numbers, and they'll actually get to meet them face to face. So they know who they're talking to on the other side of the phone, because I don't know about you guys, but I know about me, I do way better face to face. I do way better in person. So I know for me personally, that's something that definitely helps me as well. Now, so I talked about the vacation referral, talked a little about UPKEEP, and the big thing that I always try to tell people, so there's some people that are like, oh, I know how to do maintenance, I know how to do that stuff. But you have to take into account the time. You may know how to do a lot of things. A ton of people are handy, but you can never get time back. So when you spend time doing something, time's the one thing in life that you really can't get back. Money will always come back around. Things will always come back around, but time is ever moving. The last 5 seconds you can't get back. So that's something I like to really, touch on, because a lot of people don't think about that. And especially like busy business owners, they're out and about, they're doing stuff for their business, and they may know how to do those things, but it can be something they forget. It's not something that's going to be on the top of your mind. Home maintenance isn't really on the top of anyone's mind, and that's why it gets forgotten, and that's why things end up happening. So that's all I had, but I do want to leave you with a short story I found, which I thought was really good. So let me go ahead and read it to you real quick. One night, 4 college students were out partying late at night and didn't study for a test, which was scheduled for the next day. In the morning, they thought of a plan. They made themselves look dirty with grease and dirt, and then they went to the dean. They said they'd gone out to a wedding last night, and on their way back, the tire of their car burst, and they had to push the car all the way back, so they were in no condition to take the test. The dean thought for a minute and said they can retest after 3 days. They thanked him. They said they'll be ready in that time. On the 3rd day, they appeared before the dean. The dean said that this was a special condition test, and they were required to sit in 4 separate rooms for the test. They all agreed because they had prepared well in the past 3 days. And the test consisted of only 2 questions worth 100 points. The first question was your name, worth 1 point. The second question, worth 99 points. And the second question was, which tire burst? Front left, front right, back left, and back right. So, moral of the story, take responsibility and you will learn your lesson. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm really excited. I got a great lineup for the next few people. So, make sure you keep tuning in to Taylor Talks and have a fantastic day.